Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I am finally getting around to filming the month of August giveaway. As you know, in my Etsy shop, I do a giveaway every month to one customer. Okay, so every month I do a giveaway in my Etsy shop, Gulf Coast Journals. This is the link for it, and you do have to type it in all as one word when you're searching, but I will leave a link below for this video. But every month I do a giveaway to one customer, any person who has purchased anything whatsoever in my Etsy shop for that month. This is a thank you gift for supporting my Etsy shop. So this month, this is August, I have made some wallpaper envelopes, little frou-frou there, and it is just a junk journal set to add to your junk journal. This is just a little booklet here. This is an envelope. I've done a little clustering on the back, but this one has the string tie closure. This one also has a string tie closure. This one has the greatest texture. I wish you could feel that. And this is just a little flip envelope. This one, and you can see I did stitching on a lot of these, but this one has the little heart tab that holds it closed. It's got a little vintage image on the back. And then these guys are pockets. See, that can be a corner tuck. It can go that way or this way. Here's tags, and they're all wonderful wallpaper texture. They're a lot of fun. This one looks like wood. It feels like wood. So all these are the little tags and corners. And then one more thing I added to this little giveaway is a matching boho bead. So this is a beautiful boho bead that I have made with gorgeous crystals. I just love sparkly, shiny stuff. So that's the little bonus that goes with this month's giveaway. And like I said, guys, any purchase in my shop of any amount, you will automatically qualify. That's all you have to do. The drawing will be on September the 1st. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Go check out my shop. I've got a lot of things on sale right now, including boho beads. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.